the YouTube spots. You already know. Car is aired up right now. About to go ahead and meet up with excuse me. But about to go ahead and meet up with some of the people I'm going out to Virginia Beach with. We gotta roll into the Costco, get some gas, meet up with them, and then we're headed out. Quick stop in the Giant real quick. Gotta grab road trip snacks. Had to grab some micros, some wax and stuff too. All packages secured. Now let's get the fuck out of here, y'all. Let's get it. Y'all already know. Pulling up, we mobbing down the Sumospeed. Got the Clapmobile. It's my boy TJ. Gang gang. Kyle gang gang. Look at his. Everyone's whip is shitting on me today. Like, my car's clapped. Everyone else is clean. TJ even took the extra mile to put the bumper tape on. He's not playing with y'all. He's not playing. And talk much. We've really just been driving the whole time. Right now we're in I have no idea where we are. We're in some part of Virginia though. We just got out of Maryland. We still have about 160 miles to go, and I'm getting probably the best MPG I think I've ever gotten in this car, yo. When I filled the car up this morning, we were sitting at 310 miles per, like, on the range. Like, how? I'm getting, hold on, let me just show y'all. Y'all know the ABS and everything is messed up. Right now we're getting 26.4. We've been doing pulls. We turn our AC on, trying to make sure like we can burn more gas, because we gotta have a 4th tank of gas in the car or less to get into the building, because for the indoor cars or whatever. And you know, we're just doing whatever we can to make sure we burn gas, because we're all gonna have like 100 miles and some change left on the range. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting, but so far so good. The car is driving fine. Other than that one issue I was saying earlier, how it feels just a little off sometimes, low RPM at like 1st or 2nd. But other than that, we're good. So far so good. Keep your fingers crossed, prayers up. We make it there and back. Should be good. The first thing I do when we get back to Maryland is I'm taking care of this sensor. The sensor is only $40. It's just getting the one that's broken in there out. So that's the first thing we're doing when we get back to Maryland from this trip. First thing we're doing when we get down to the hotel though and check in and all that, we gotta clean these cars. My car is dirty. We're about to have so many bugs on this thing. It is crazy. We done already got a couple compliments from the places we did stop, which was cool. That kind of stuff, I really didn't think it meant much to me, but when someone tells you got a cool car, like, that shit kind of does make your day. I'm not gonna lie. We got about 2.5 hours left. We'll keep shooting this B-roll for y'all, because we got a long drive ahead of us, so yeah. every time I'm in a hotel, I sit at the desk like I'm actually about to do something over here. And I don't never do shit at the desk. But we finally touched down, gang. Nah, I'm not unpacking none of this shit. And then we gotta go clean the cars. Lazy guys.
Hey, show them Jordan's bed.
Oh yeah, Jordan's he's on the low. I got the top bunk. Jordan got the bottom bunk. This is Jordan's bunk. This is me right here.
Wait, did you bring a sleeping bag or air mattress?
I brought a sleeping bag.
You lay on top of it. Hope it's thick enough.
I gotta fly. The freaking floor's kind of.
Wait, let me see if they got extra. You may have extra. Have a shoot like that.
Are we eating cookout food or what?
Facts. It's a slaps. Do you see that?
We're on the freaking truck unloading spot, bro.
I have a food. I'm gonna tell him. Cause when I first got my bags, that's the first photo shoot I had was at a warehouse.
You don't want another warehouse.
I don't want that truck thing.
You gotta get some of them a beach shot, yo.
Right, bro. I'll do it for free with my iPhone 12.
Beach shot. Head up, Rio. Whoa. Hit up Rio-Shin. Steal a location.
I gotta record.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, what's up, bro? Is that like that location? Is it like a truck warehouse area industrial place? Just ask it if it is.
Alright, what's that one?
Just let me know.
Famous guy. Famous guy. She's trying to coordinate the photo shoot. He has to make sure like it looks good for the feed. Too famous. I wish. Alright, we just left the hotel, about to get something to eat. Then we're gonna head to the car wash. My boy TJ with the brown IS has a photo shoot. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and roll our cars in and chill for the rest of the day. Probably find something to do. Some little shenanigans keep us occupied. So food, then wash, and yeah. This is my first time eating this place, man.
I don't feel safe here.
Me either, man. It's R word. We're at this place called Cookout. I'm about to try it out. Hopefully it's good. Yeah. We just had Cookout. I give it 7.7 out of 10. Sides, they're lacking. The burger was decent though. The burger was hit. Way better than McDonald's, and the prices are like that. But 8. Now we about to go clean our cars. Peep this though. Different. I get a closer look. Lady driven too before she come back out here. Wide body. That's hard. Alright. Just pulled out food. About to go meet up with Jordan because he's just pulling up to the hotel right now. And then from there, after we help him unpack and shit, we're going to go ahead and wash the cars. TJ's going to go to his photo shoot. And then we'll just meet him at the convention center. So let's get it. Springfest ain't shit without this build right here. Y'all are not ready for what I'm about to show y'all. This is the cleanest build down here. Oh, on the BBSs?
Yo! What the fuck?
On the BBSs? That's hard. No one's doing that.
We got nothing in this car.
Oh my God. During Pride Month too. That's hard. Hard body. Look who's here, guys. It's the fastest guy. Slow IS 350. Look. It's him. What's up, Jordan? It's like, no, let me stop. The fake bad guy. Static bad guy. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man. Let's get this shit done. 554. No, sir. He just clay barred his shoe, dude. And then we use it on my car. spotless. Looking spiffy, dude. Spiffy. Ooh. Huh? Oh, yeah. Jordan, you a different breed, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is crazy, yo. Looked like he was licking the windshield.
Chill out, that is slow. It ain't like that. It really's not.
Nah, you're a different breed, bro.
No.
You're a different breed, bro.
He's that guy.
What's all that about, bro?
He's that guy, bro. Oh, it's
Dang. Oh, he just aired out.
Yo.
Chill, bro.
Wow.
Just wait.
Oh, my God. Yes, sir. Getting her done.
That's so gross, bro. Now you got squirt everywhere.
Yes, sir. Waiting on Kyle and TJ and them to pull up so we can roll in together. I got to the convention center before them, but it's already cars inside, bro. That shit's hard. They're like right there. That shit is hard, bro. That's hard. Only tough builds are in tough. Fuck was y'all at? Copyright.
Oh my God.
I was waiting on them, but now they're waiting on me because I'm not gonna be able to get in with that much gas. Need to have a quarter, and I swear to God, the shit's right there. So I'm about to just do like 2 pulls or some shit, bro.
Yeah.
You done?
You got airbags on this shit.
Huh?
Like that shit looks like you got airbags on that shit.
I do.
Hell yeah. That shit's fresh as fuck.
Thank
I
you.
love the color on that shit.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You fresh as fuck, man.
It needs some stuff done though.
Of course, always. There's always more you put on.
Always. Never ends.
No, it doesn't.
Never ends. I need to waste some gas. Y'all trying to siphon some gas?
What is this? Lexus what?
IS 350.
How old?
2012.
2012?
Yeah.
What'd you do to it? Engine mods? Or
Headers.
just outside?
Whole bunch of stuff.
Well, what do you think the horsepower is on this bitch?
I'd say probably around 473 to the wheels.
Faster than 350. 473
Oh yeah, it's faster than a 350. They take 350s from the factory.
Damn.
Yeah. All right, it's time to go in.
Oh yeah. Yeah, don't listen.
Shit, what do you think the horsepower is on this?
It's probably making 300 wheel.
300?
Probably, yeah.
I bet it's a bit more than that.
more,
My Mustang is a V6 2007. It's 300 wheel. And it's stock. Your shit definitely got to be better.
It's maybe making 300 wheel.
What?
I'm all-wheel drive, so
It's all wheel.
Yeah.
so it loses a little more to each wheel. So I'll guess
you
about
get
3.
around. This thing hits in the winter.
Oh yeah. I love driving this, so it's my daily. It's my only car anyway. So.
Yeah. I got about 4 myself, but not this nice. Mine are all trash.
Nah,
My
this
best car is the 2022 Tacoma.
man, this is crazy. Y'all see my boy Khalifa right here too. They got their booth set up. Oh my God, his head is crazy. I think he got the hood and the trunk done. Hold on, because I'm kind of speechless. I'm not gonna lie. A year ago when I first started, or 2 years ago when I first started all this, and someone would have told me my car was gonna get accepted into a show like this, I would not have believed them. This is crazy. Everyone's taking time to clean their cars and stuff right now, but I'm gonna try and walk around and record some of the cars while I can, because all tomorrow I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a DJ with music. So I mean, just look at this, bro. This is nice. This is nuts. This is crazy, man. This is so crazy. I'm not gonna lie. 2 years ago when I first started building my car and doing all the YouTube shit and everything, I did not see any of this coming out of that at all. This is crazy. Bruh. I'm just recording as many cars as I can for the... Oh my God.
Chill out, bro.
Bruh.
That power to weight ratio is probably fucking nutty.
Stupid.
I think it's a K22.
There's no way, bro. Ooh. They gonna make me act up.
It's got a body kit, yeah. See that?
All right, guys. Got to turn our keys in, and then we're out.
I don't have to.
Any final words? Never seen your car again.
The best man win.
What's that supposed to mean?
I said what I
Read
said.
between the lines.
Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, this is about to be the most fun part of the night. Ruining Jordan's whip. Scrape on everything.
Why would I scrape?
I forgot, my bad. Scrapey scrape, going dummy. Bruh, we didn't even make it out the lot.
It's that hump. I don't be liking them humps.
You stop, right? You saw him stop.
Huh?
Did you stop?
No. Hold on.
Is it bad?
You can come look at it.
Static, like we just had to get out for those speed bumps, yo. My boy Jordan, bro, you're the real MVP, bro. The real fucking MVP, bro. What could not be me, nigga. So, upon further counsel, the committee has decided we're gonna Uber back to the hotel.
Tomorrow morning, too.
Because this is not gonna make it. Tomorrow morning.
There's no reason.
Oh, yeah.
There's no way we can come back. Unless we...
Oh, nah.
Don't get my gun.
All right, Jordan, you got this. Yes, sir. No more scrapey scrape. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna get back to the hotel and to the convention center tomorrow. So,
We can just catch a bike.
moral of the story, guys:
I get that when I do.
if you're static, don't have a whole bunch of shit in the car. I guess I was gonna say get bags, but nah, I fuck with my static peoples. This is just OD.
That sounds fucked.
Y'all static guys, bro. Prayers go out to oh, my prayers go out to y'all, bro. Fuck. R.I.P. Jordan side script.
Hey, bags on the way.
Make sure y'all like this video. If it gets to 1,000 likes, I'll buy Jordan bags.
Nah, we just going half in. I can't let him do it all.
That's tough. I don't know how y'all static guys do it, bro.
Bro, dude, I don't have problems like this in
Nah.
normal
That-
areas. It's just places
it's just
like
this
in
circumstance
DC.
is really
Yeah,
crazy.
bro. And with 5 deep with a low profile jack, an extra tire, a 12-inch sub.
Bye. Yeah. Honestly, the fact that your whole bumper is still on is crazy. Oh, yeah. We just found parking. Yo, Virginia Beach, it's terrible to park, bro.
Crazy. Every single store has a sign right there. It says that you can only go there if you're on the premises. So, like, if you go to a restaurant, you can only park there while you're there. When you leave, you gotta go.
If not, say goodbye.
You know, we tried to go to 7-Eleven and get some food, and they was like, "No, you can't park here."
No,
We'll tell
no. OD. For no reason. 10 parking spots open.
Yeah, bro. There was 2 cars, and there was like 15 spots.
Couldn't even see her, bro.
Not allowed.
She was behind the... No. Mad as shit. All right, we about to get ourselves into some bullshit. Let's do it. That's true, man. What you can do? What you can do? Why you tell me? Tell them.
Oh my god.
Damn, boy. You good? Don't die on me.
I'm gonna go make out with the waitress.
They don't have indoor eating. I can't eat seafood.
TJ, federal. TJ did it. TJ, what? No, I'm finna create a scene. TJ, really, you just did that to me?
Yo, y'all niggas, what? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Meat Mountain Going Gummy. He's about to kill you, bro.
Why you mad at me? I ain't even do this.
Yeah, that's no. That's not quite a meat mountain. They just got
That's a meat hill.
That's a loaded pizza. Fully loaded. 6 in the chamber pizza.
Full bolt-on pizza, bro.
You saw what Smokey said? He said that shit full bolts on accessory.
Oh, we in blood.
Full bolts on accessory.
Yo, when you was in Wildwood, you went to Wildwood, right?
Yeah, but I didn't go because I went Friday. I didn't go Saturday. I didn't go the actual day. I went Friday where everybody was like pre-meet and then people took pictures on Friday. I didn't go Saturday. Well,
Now, did you see No Bag out there? The dude with the blue 2 eyes, Stag from New York.
it's like a navy blue, right? I seen that one. I seen a GS. I didn't see I seen a